This is your boy David giving you guys a quick update what is happening right here in the cruise port of Grand Turk in the Turks and Caicos Island, and I'm just going to show you guys a lot of few clips or actually what is going on. They are actually getting the place ready. I hope everything will be going fine at that point. The entrance. They're working on extending the dock over there. And as you can see, once again back here, but this day, today is not raining. You good? Huh?
Palu, mai ko nyai kita montre. Diske to apa esa kan bagian
Yang jere là jere ka boal.
Rame.
Ambo ke pada me sai bau. Ute kone, est-ce que tu connais?
Ngami mbadi ça.
Ba foi mon.
To ko veni di avesi.
As you guys can see, Candy actually is getting the place ready for the ship to return. As you guys can see, it's actually looking pretty. Everything is all clean up. They are pushing very hard to see if they're gonna have that successful day for the ship to return. This is the huts. They kind of be already clean at this moment. The huts are already clean and ready to go. Pool, everything is clear, clean, and as you can see, they just put these down. Those guys are working extremely hard to get this place ready to go.